Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to Xiaomi 12 Pro. Start by opening Play Store on both smartphones and tapping on the search bar. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Following that, tap on Open. Now from this screen here, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and lastly allow. Then do exactly the same on Nokia. Then select Receive on Xiaomi, tap on No Thanks and choose Close this window. Now select Send on Nokia and tap on all of those dots. Following that, choose Send. This way you will select all of those and transfer them later on. It will take some time to transfer all of them, so I will go with only one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. As you can see from here, we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Xiaomi, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key over here and connect our devices by choosing Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!